24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Ask them to take turns and talk about their favorite fruit in complete sentences. For example, my favorite fruit is mango. Now show the picture of a mango and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a fruit. It is yellow or green and its name is mango. Ask the children if they can tell about the taste of a mango. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that mangoes are sweet and sour. Now, show to the class a picture of moon and frame the questions like you have asked about the mango. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter M and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter M, learn its related vocabulary, and trace the small letter M with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
"No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Write the letter M on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter M and it says Say the sound of the letter M. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
M, monkey. M, monkey. M, monkey. M, monkey.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter M activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter M on the middle lines and give instructions. Start from the second line and draw a straight line down. Next, go back up to the middle and around to the bottom. Now, go back again to the middle and around to the bottom. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter M with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter M in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize M. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter M can be downloaded from the following website: www www.snowmanpublishers.com.